I listened growing up. Health is wealth. Anyone who got health got hope. Who got hope has everything. But this time, this is a pandemic. This pandemic, COVID-19, got many terms to be known. Everybody got to know, need to know all these terms. And this video is all about COVID-19 terms. Welcome to Badass Cult. Here we speak about tough and uncompromising things. Virus related terms. Coronavirus. What is coronavirus? Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses which may cause illness in animals or humans. Named for their appearance, the viruses look like they are covered with protein structures that surrounded them like a corona, a crown, when viewed under a microscope. SARS-CoV-2, which represent short for severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2. It is the official name of the virus causing COVID-19 disease. Disease-related terms. Zoonotic disease, also known as zoonosis. They are caused by germs that spread between animals and people. Most viruses of the coronavirus family have an origin in animals. Endemic disease. As per CDC, endemic diseases have a constant presence or usual prevalence in population with a geographic area. Outbreak related terms. Epidemic. An epidemic refers to an increase or often sudden in the number of cases of the disease above what is normally expected in population in that area. Pandemic. A pandemic refers to an epidemic that has spread over several other countries or continents, usually affecting a large number of people. Herd immunity. As per CDC, herd immunity occurs when a sufficient proportion of population is immunity to an infectious disease through vaccination or prior illness. To make it spread from person to person, unlikely or not. The basic reproduction number or not indicates how contagious a disease is. It is the number of people that one infected person will pass on the virus to an average. Case fatality rate. It is defined as the proportion of reported cases of disease which are fatal within a specific time and is measure of a disease severity. Community spread. As per CDC, it is the spread of an illness for which the source of infection is unknown. Public health practices. Social distancing, measures preventing people from congregating and for maintaining at least 6 feet of distance between individuals. Quarantine. It means restricting activities or separating people who are not ill themselves but have been exposed to COVID-19. Isolation. It refers to the separating infected people to prevent this spread of COVID-19. Medical equipment. Ventilator. A machine that moves air in and out of a patient's lungs in case they have difficulty breathing on their own. Respirator. A device that protects against inhaling dangerous substances such as chemicals and infectious particles. As per FDA, an N95 respiratory blocks at least 95% of a very small 0.3 micron test particles. PPE, personal protective equipment like masks, gloves, face shields and other gear. That's it for the video. If you loved watching this video, a subscribe would be amazing. Like this video, share it with your friends. Don't forget to be a badass. Be a badass.